What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Adonis. We're back here again. I'm gonna show you something real quick. Show you guys basically how to clean your rims if they're like super dirty and like greasy. What product to use for super cheap. There's an easy way to do it. I've done one tire already, so I already know it works. I mean, one rim. My bad. That's a tire. So one rim already, so I know it works. So let me try to make the Mustang look better than it already does. So I want to clean the rims up to give them that good look, the extra, you know, make it even look better than what it does. So as you can see, this one I cleaned it earlier, but it's already dirty already because I think that was like a month ago when I did it, and I was just testing it out to see if the product actually works, and it does. So the product that I have that you can buy in the dollar store basically for $1 is this Purple Power. That Purple Power degreaser, that shit does justice, bro. It actually works, man. For $1, man, this shit kills. And then the other thing you're gonna need is a brush. You can see I already used this, so I already know how it works. I use this brush to get into that little tight edges and corners. And with those two things combined, you're gonna have clean, like brand new rims. So that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm gonna show you guys in the process. I'm gonna show you how the rims look, all four of them, and then I'm gonna show you the after. So this is one rim. Dirty, disgusting. So we're gonna see how clean we can get that one. It's the other one over here. Try to take out all that. We don't want none of that, especially that those stains. Yeah, I don't fuck with that. And then over here, this one's the one I cleaned, so that's why it's kind of cleaner than all of them, because I already kind of cleaned this one, but it's dirty again because it was like a month ago, and when I changed tires and was checking out the brakes and shit, it got dirty again. But yeah, and the only way to keep it clean is to not touch it with your dirty ass hands. But yeah, look at those stains. I don't like that shit. So we're gonna try to get rid of all that, and let's see if this product actually works, which I already know it does. So yeah, just watch. The first thing you want to do, just grab the Purple Power, make sure it's open, and you're gonna spray it. So you're gonna spray it like this, all around. And let it sit for like maybe a minute, and then you're gonna start brushing. You're gonna do that for all of them. Make sure all that grease is out. That's gonna make all the grease and germs get like soft and loose, and then when you scrape it, it's gonna come up easier than if you were to do it without this Purple Power shit. So yeah, get back to you once this sets for a minute. I want to see if the dirt actually deteriorates when I spray it, so let's see. You see kind of the dirt like breaking. These rims are so dirty that you can actually see it change color as I spray it. But yeah, you can see it's killing the dirt. See it? Without even scraping it. Shit's strong. So don't get this on your hands or your face either. You're not gonna want to. It's the worst thing you could do. Alright, let me go to the other side, start brushing it. Ugh. You can see, like it's brushing off. You need a clean rag afterwards. After you brush all this off, you're gonna need a clean rag to give it that clean look, because this is, this brush is dirty already. So yeah, you're gonna want to get the edges. See, like stuff like that. You brush it, comes off. See, just comes off. It melts off. Right here, you got dirt. This is one coat of it, you know what I'm saying? That you keep putting more coats, obviously the cleaner you're gonna get it, but I don't know how many coats I'm gonna apply. But you can see the dirt is just melting away. Up here, let's see if we can get this. See how that's see, clean rims for cheap, bro. It's like $1 in the dollar store, bro. This shit's just melting this shit away. Gonna need a new brush though. This brush, it's not doing justice, but yeah, you can see it's working though. So you can see the difference. This is before, that's the after. See, you can even see the sparkles. I only hit the areas over there that's clean. So yeah, so you can see it in I'm gonna try to do it one hand, but I guess you're gonna want to wet it with the greaser. You're gonna wipe it. See? Fucking difference. So I gotta do this for all the rims. Once you start, after you brush all this down, you need to throw more degreaser, and then you need a microfiber towel, and then that's when you wipe it off and it comes out like that. See? All the dirt mark, that's the brush. So once you spray it, so you can see, I'm not bullshitting you guys. Once you spray it, you wipe it. Boom. Like new. Do that for all around, for all 4 rims, and then you're gonna see the difference. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done. Wow, so wait for you guys to see the results. It's amazing, bro. Look at one of the rims. That's one. Let's look at the other side. That's 2. Go to around the other side. Three. Let's go to the last one. I told you, this shit works. Amazing. Come out like brand new, like I said. Shit looks brand new. Fucking crazy. For $1 product, shit works. One thing I wanted to say to you guys is basically I don't recommend using it if your rims are just painted like plastic dip or something like that, because that thing will probably destroy your paint, literally. And make sure that the rims that you have, that this won't leave stains on it, or you know, basically fuck up your rims using this, because the degreaser is strong, so it might mess up your rim a little bit. So make sure you have that in mind before you do this. I did it for my car. I'm just being honest with you guys. If you mess up your rims, it's not my fault. This is what I did to make mine rims look nice, and you can see the aftermath of it. So this is what I did. Don't recommend for everybody unless you know that your rims won't fuck up, and you can do the same thing, then do it. But you can see, I just show you guys proof that it worked. It worked for me. These are Mustang rims. These are original OEM rims, and it worked. So whatever these rims are made out of, the degreaser didn't fuck it up. So just to give you an idea on what rims you could use it on. But if this video helped you in any way, shape, or form, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment, share, and so just subscribe to the channel if you're new. Stay tuned. This for more videos. You already know I drift. I also have the Accord over there. You know, I do some Honda stuff. I got some drift Mustang stuff, and all the way back over there, hidden. Let me see if I could give you guys a quick look. It's my 8.6. So yeah, I'm gonna have videos on all these 3 cars. So if you stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, and turn that notification bell. Alright? Peace.